Hello mga peeps, akong baby. She's already 5 months now and she knows how to stand up na. Practice na ni stand up. Standing. And also, her 2 teeth. Hagawasay na. Look na mama. Yeah, sapit na mo gawas. Almost 6 months na pala siya kasi kaya lumalabas na ng konti yung ngipin niya. Tingnan niyo mamaya ha. Pag tumawag. But for now, I will let you see how she will stand. Pero dili pa siya talaga makapag-stand on her own with guidance pa. Look. Look. Alright. Go. Stand up. Stand up. Stand up. Say, up. Up and down. Up and down. Here. Up. You stand up. Up and down. Down. Up. Up. Up and down. Up. Baby, look at up and down. Up. Okay na. Up. Up and down. Up and down. Up. Oh, very good na kaya mo lang ka. Ting. Ding. Up. Ding. Ding. Look at your face. Who's that? Hello mga peeps. Up and down. Up. Oh, up. Buyag ang mo, bibi. Yun lang mga peeps. See you to my next view. See you to my next video. Bye-bye. Say bye-bye. Kabababat lang kasi nga eh. Bye-bye. Continue. Okay? Up. Ayaw pa niya kasi yung tumigil eh. Up. Up. Kapoy na ka? Kapoy na. Up. Yun lang. Bye-bye. Say hi. Who's that? Who's that? Show your teeth, baby. Show your teeth. Show your teeth. Ngik. Mama. Mama. Show your teeth, baby. Show your teeth. Look at your teeth, Yeah. What's that? Look at mama. Sorry. Milk mama. Milk mama. You want milk? Milk mama. Say hi. Milk mama. Hi. Oh. Sige na, bye-bye mga pets. Kuman. Lagi daw hilak niya. Tara, milk mama. Peekaboo. What did I? Pika.